hire interns at Realityworks, it really has a mutual benefit. So I think it goes without saying that we value education and the education system. So we like to give back to students by providing them this experience and opportunities. Our internship programs are very hands-on, so we don't have our interns just shadow people. We give them real-life work that they would experience in a real-life job. We value the new ideas and creativity that the interns bring to our new products.
Interns have really helped our department at Realityworks because they can bring fresh ideas, they can take on tasks that are going to actually help them in their futures but are helping our team as well so that we can accomplish more. Being an intern in our department means that you really are part of a team. You get to learn on-job skills and hopefully build their future to be a more successful employee someday as well. I like having interns in our department because it brings another person to help support the team to do bigger things. And interns are currently studying their craft and they can share what they're learning in school to make sure that we're up on the latest information when it comes to marketing and communications. So being an intern in the marketing department means you get to actually bring your skills you're learning in class, which sometimes are more cutting edge than maybe what our professionals know, and they get to share that with our teams and make sure we're up on the latest trends as well.
But interns bring different viewpoints, different perspectives, different skill sets to our team to help us rapidly prototype, test, and produce new products. And delivering those prototypes quickly allows us to get to market faster. Interns work very closely with our designers, with our testers, etc., to help bring new products to life. We look for interns that have good hands-on skills, whether it's on the electronics side of life or out in the mechanical shop. We love bringing in people that are familiar with our tools and can hit the ground running, but we're also able to help provide exposure to different real-world tools, whether it's CNC machines or soldering equipment or pick-and-place machines, and give them that experience that they can take back to their school to help finish out their education. We love interns. We really couldn't do what we do without the interns that help support our team. And even beyond the work that they do and the direct experience that we get from them and are able to give them, having people part of the development team that are actually close to the age of our target users helps us make products that resonate better with our end users, since so many of our products are used in education. So we really do love interns.
So we like interns at Realityworks and the mechanical group. They really help us bring that excitement to the team. They're fresh, they come with new ideas, and they're ready to help build things. We spend a lot of our summer prototyping new products, whether it's a year or 2 years out, and they do a really nice job getting in the shop, getting their hands dirty, as well as designing something in CAD and having it be printed or built in the shop in a couple of days, allowing for quick iterations. And their excitement and energy really helps bring people as well. Interns in our department for that fresh idea. They come in on the school with some new techniques, maybe some new tools they've learned there. And we're able to use that, as well as we can teach them, different techniques and tools that they can use in their career. And again, that excitement that our interns bring to the group helps elevate the energy in our department as